There was this freak and my father on the ground. So you didn't actually see the accident?
What are you doing, Picard? Staying on my dirty floor.
And I could have been going 5-10 miles an hour. And suddenly from behind that van, that old man steps out. And that's it.
What you doing?
Believe me.
What you doing, big boy?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Look, I didn't have to see it to know what happened.
You got a piece of cardboard out there.
Actually witnessed the accident.
Where you going? Oh, up my leg. Is it bottle time?
It's gonna be okay.
Oh, I don't know. You ain't drinking much bottle anymore. You've been a big boy eating.
Sir, yes, Dad. I'm sorry I got in your way. That's okay.
Okay.
I guess I just didn't look where I was going. It'll be all right. If you need anything, just holler. Okay.
Are you going to be hissed up? Oh, we're all hissed up. Oh my goodness. You gonna get me?
Can I go to the hospital with him? Sure.
Oh my. Okay.
You got a
Okay.
or anything